What's up, guys? Today is a special day. Today we're going to install my hybrid racing shifter, which I should have done a long time ago. So let's get to it. Alright, so now that we got the car jacked up on jack stands and shocks in the back, what you want to do, you might have to remove a piece for right here. That was the bag and stuff. Take the shift knob off. I think it's just some screws from there. If you have an EX with the armrest, you might have to do it there too, but pretty sure it just slides out. You'll want to remove that stuff and then go from the bottom and undo these, which I am pretty positive that those are those that hold those bushings in. So we're going to undo those two, and then there's some stuff up front that we need to get. Whoa, webs, gotta clear those out. Car's been sitting too long. The fitting's coming soon though, so to get this thing up and going. That's why I'm just doing this real quick. Whew, it's hot. Up there. Let's fix that, shall we? Well, that's kind of dark. Well, can't fix it now. Huh. Well, I gotta make do, right? It's a lot cooler now with the sun gone. Can't really see anything. There we go. Oh. Wow. I think we have to go under the front and see. Or not. Okay. I removed the 2 bolts, 2 12s, so it comes down, but obviously my exhaust is there. So, wow, this camera zoomed way in. Didn't show it, but I just dropped the exhaust, both sides, sort of, to get this darn linkage out. So now, there we go, now you can see better. Dropped exhaust, the linkage fell after removing the 2 12s. Going to remove that 12. Oh, you can't see anything. That one. And then I think there's 2 10s holding those 2 underneath the bottom of it. So, let's go. Alright, so guys, I finally got this crap out. Just like that. I was having trouble with the actual 10 mils that held this in because they have flat heads and I couldn't figure it out. But like this, you can see this, they're not fully circle, so I just put a crescent wrench on them and worked my butt off for it. So I got them out. We're done with that. It's all worn out garbage. Time for the actual hybrid racing. Oh, hey Maja. Okay, so here we got the new one. I just dropped it right in real quick. And there's not enough room to drill the other hole. You can tell by the plate. I'm vlogging here, Cat. So I'm just gonna use the two and we'll go from there. Already looks so much better. So we're gonna use these two. There's gonna be one more. That's if you drilled the hole. You can't with the D series though. I think you can with the B series. So let's throw these in. All right, that's bolted in fully now. So on these, if we have the D series, we use the shorter of those two, and we're not gonna use this. So 2 washers and the nut and the short screw. The washers will go on the outside. And yeah, we just bolt it up. Let's see it get done. Kind of pressed for time. So I bolted it back up for a second, especially since we can tighten this even with it bolted back up there. You're not supposed to tighten this too much. It says 16 foot-pounds, I think, 16 foot-pounds, and that the bearing should still move. So I got it down pretty tight. We're gonna test that first, but yeah, pressed for time. My battery's pretty low. Hey, Nicole.
Yo.
So, 1. Oh, that is super short too. 3, 4, 5. I guess that's reverse. I might loosen it back up. All right, so I messed with it, and definitely nice, but this look at that. Oh yeah, and you can adjust it any way you want. That's pretty much as long as it goes. That's reminds me of standard. So I'm able to have that OEM feel while looking super gorgeous. And then we can get really stupid. You adjust this one. Oh, hold on. Let me go this way. You loosen up that. And that. And you just watch the whole thing drop. So now And then you can even drop this too. So we'll just put it like right there. And now we're like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, reverse. I'm finding it though that the lower it is, like reverse is kind of hard. Like that's in there, but yeah. Whereas when we release gave us a little bit more arm room. Just like that. So yeah, it's extremely hot. I am like glistening. And that concludes this video. You put everything back the way it goes. You have a lot of bolts from the OEM stuff laying around, but you don't need any of it anymore. You got that hybrid racing. And it's nice. Really nice. I like it. I can't wait to put the Skunk 2 knob on it and put the bag and stuff and see and actually take it for a drive. Once the fitting comes in, it's about 10 more days. Super annoying. But if you like this video and you want to learn more or learn with me, I guess I'm not really teaching you guys, I'm just showing you what I'm doing, and everything I do is the first time I've ever done anything. That's the first shifter install I've ever done on a car, and it was hybrid racing and I love it. I don't know how the other ones are, but that's killer. So until next time, laters.